Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, after Connie Ferguson's husband's passing, I just didn't look like she'll ever date or marry. The way it was, she was heartbroken. Those two people were close, actually. They were a match made in heaven. We all know that. But nakumanje kuthiwa usisi is dating somebody. Tina guys allegedly sizwe ngoMusa Khawula, iblogger eneyindaba nje la eSouth Africa. To a point when Musa guys was arrested for defamation of character one of the politicians. Wahlala nje impela ejele. He even lost his YouTube channel. Uthi bayihack mayesho. Yeah, I call phansi again. People are just like, I know, that's story. No, Sikon. He's very good at finding stories that are crazy like that, but he's always on point. I'm just like, I got that guy's nabantu no, right. So indaba ke ithi ke uConnie Ferguson le oyakhe le entsha ajola nayo manje is actually Vusumuzi Cat Matlala's partner, business partner basically. His name is Grooven Mchabeling, who makes about 12 million rands a month through illegal contracts. And lama contract akhe kubalwa Sanral no AXA. And how Vusumuzi comes in, uyakhumbula ngithi, he will come in as a protection guy. Ngale a cat protection company, VIP, actually it's VIP cat protection company yakhe. That's how he comes in to help him out with Sanral and AXA. I'm just like, what? Wow. Njani? Ayona boshema abantu. Vusumuzi Matlala. You'll never have prominent people like that guy in your life. But it's all gone now. It's finished. He's going to be in jail. And we are going to make sure tonight, as South Africans, those people don't come out of jail. Whatever happens. This is why other people must also go to Madlanga bayozibona lapho. So injalo ke indaba kaConnie Ferguson, people are just like, guys, sisingeke. Yes. Brothers, akekho right if he is associated with imgulukudu office gebeng esinjengesigelekeqa esinjengo Vusumuzi Matlala, ngeke sisi. Khona ezinye indawo ufanele uhambele kuzona not lapho. But abanye they just feel like obviously there's gonna be segregations. I'm like, oh, I know. She must jola, she must find someone. It's been a long time. She deserves it. You know how it is, I get here. Hey guys, I don't know what you think. I know so okay, on top of that, Senzo Mchunu naye went into some event, and then there uyaqala khuluma. Obviously kuzofika imedia imbuza izinto angithi naye will start opening his mouth, and it's gonna be like, I'm grateful for this opportunity that Madlanga is going to give me soon. You know, that's how we were speaking, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. Nami was just like, Sibulindile, we don't even have a choice. Can come there. And please don't try and brainwash us. Some of us are so clear about our stuff. We just like, please, don't. It's not even allegedly. And him zonke izinto esezenzakele. Samba nazo. Noma ungafika kuMadlanga and try and change us. No, ngeke. Sizwe siphinde sizwe. Umngani kaCat Matlala, you guys are friends, you'll always be friends, and you feel good namanje nisafona njobe lapha eSimex. So I will never change my mind. That's just how I see it. You remember ke uFikile Mbalula did say ukuthi uBrian Mokgotsi must never ever associate himself with ANC. Makakhuluma nangaye emlomeni wakhe. You must just stop it. Ngaye futhi uFikile Mbalula did say something about Senzo Mchunu ukuthi, I know abantu they must just go to Madlanga and no one is above the law. Hey, that guy can talk. wathi everyone who's going to go there at Madlanga and they are actually found to be guilty, they must go to jail, and that some of them have been to integrity committee, and the integrity committee obviously you'll never find out there ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani. And naye uSenzo Mchunu did mention ukuthi he went there on the 13th of September. He's gonna go again, I think, and then before he goes to Madlanga, because I think they're telling you are interviewed just to see who's namangakangakanani. You know, it's just how I feel. I'm so sorry, guys, but that's my thing. They're like, this is what you're gonna be doing. These are the questions. Mhlamba guess, you know, that are gonna be happening at Madlanga.